In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recent changes in Base44. This is really useful if you're collaborating with a team, or if you simply want to keep track of what's been edited in your workspace over time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Base44 to review activity and understand what's changed, without having to hunt around the interface. Let's start from your Base44 workspace, where you're editing your app or project. Look toward the top right area of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This menu is where Base44 keeps extra tools and settings that aren't always visible by default. Move your mouse to that 3 dots icon and click on it. Don't worry if nothing obvious jumps out at first. This is just the way Base44 groups related features together. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear, showing different options you can use to manage or inspect your workspace. Among those options, look for one labeled Activity Monitor. This is the feature that lets you see recent changes, edits, and actions taken in your current workspace. When you find Activity Monitor in the list, go ahead and click it. As soon as you click Activity Monitor, Base44 will open a new panel or page that displays your activity logs. Here, you'll typically see a timeline of recent changes, often including details like what was changed, when it was changed, and sometimes who made the change if you're working with a team. This gives you a clear picture of what has been happening in your project over time. You can scroll through this activity list to review older changes or focus on the most recent ones to confirm that updates have been applied correctly. This is especially handy if you're troubleshooting an issue and want to pinpoint when something in the workspace started behaving differently. If you find yourself using this feature often, it's a good idea to remember that everything starts from that simple 3 dots menu at the top. Click the 3 dots, choose Activity Monitor, and you'll have a central place to review what's been going on in your Base44 workspace. That's all you need to do to